Hey Jesse, can you show me how to make coffee?
Yeah.
Okay, show me.
Turn it up.
Turn it on.
Put it in.
Plug it in.
Bird. A bird. Put in the butter. Put in the butter.
Here, I'll help you.
Okay.
Okay, plugged it in back there for you.
Open it up. Put it up and close it up. Put it right in. Put that in the
Yeah. Okay, so you made the coffee. Now what?
Take out the dustpan.
Pour it in the cup. Good job.
Do it up.
Stir it up. What are you gonna add? Good job.
Put the sugar name in there.
Put the sugar and the cream in there.
Yeah.
Yep. And then what?
Do it up.
Stir it up. Good job. Cheers. Cheers. Good job.
No, and burn it.
Good job, Jesse. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.